Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Rocket.net, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you restore from a backup website in your Rocket.net account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to restore your website from a backup in Rocket.net hosting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business with your website, you know that sometimes when you make changes to the website, it breaks or it looks really strange. So it might be better to restore your website from a previous backup. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net hosting, and this is the dashboard. Now here on the home screen, if you want to restore a previous backup for one of your websites, here on the left, click on Sites. Okay, once you do that, you'll see a list of all the websites you have with Rocket.net. You can see I just have this one. And then off to the right of that website, click on the blue Manage. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of these buttons here at the top, and you want to click on Backups. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the backups you might have already created. You can see I just have this one. And in order to restore your website from this backup, off to the right, you're going to click on this little clock button. Next, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to restore this backup? Go ahead and click on the blue Confirm button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see under status, it's now restoring. So you want to give it a few minutes for it to restore from this backup in your Rocket.net hosting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to restore your website with your Rocket.net website hosting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.